first.
That's correct.
Very well.
All right. Thank you very much.
It's a family event, guys. So
I hope to see you guys there.
we'll try. We'll make everything.
Don't try. You know what Jimmy Cliff says? Try and try again.
Yeah. The harder they come, the harder they fall, one and all.
right.
But thank you for your efforts, and I do hope that persons will be coming out in droves to support this very wonderful initiative,
Amen.
so that many people can benefit, because we know that there is still a need. I know that, as you rightly said, you know, many persons would have given already and kind of like, oh, I gave already, so I don't have to give any more. But the needs are still there. So let's keep the candles lit, and let's keep the flame burning, and go out and support Light Jamaica.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right.
Right, so
Happy Hanukkah.
Happy Hanukkah. Many thanks to Rabbi Yaakov Raskin, Jamaica's Rabbi, Director of Shabbat Jamaica. After the break, it's time for Parishes Sunrise. So we'll be right back. Please don't go anywhere.
CVM Television is the official broadcaster of ISA Schoolboy Football 2025. Unauthorized recording, broadcast or streaming of matches or related events is strictly prohibited. CVM Sports ISA Schoolboy Football is brought to you by KFC, Ping Pong, Catch, Water, Pringles, True Shake, Powerade, Burt's Auto Parts.
Good afternoon to our viewers joining us live on CVM TV for another exciting match in schoolboy football. Now we turn our attention to the Da Costa Cup, and at this stage there are no second chances. 4 teams, 2 spots are available for the Da Costa Cup finals. We have 2 games, and let's see who will